Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by preparing your host machine for a virtual Ubuntu installation. Download Ubuntu 22.04 LTS ISO from Ubuntu. COM using a reliable network connection. Choose VirtualBox or VMware Workstation as your virtualization platform and install the chosen application. Ensure CPU virtualization features are enabled in BIOS or UEFI before continuing. Allocate at least 4 GB RAM, 20 GB disk space, and 2 CPU cores to the new virtual machine. Keep your host with 10 to 20% free disk space to avoid performance issues. Open VirtualBox or VMware and click to create a new virtual machine. Name the VM and select Linux, Ubuntu 64-bit as the guest operating system. Assign 2048 to 4096 MB of RAM, depending on your host capabilities and workload. Create a virtual hard disk of 20 GB or larger using VDI or VMDK format. Attach the downloaded Ubuntu 22.04 ISO to the VM optical drive and enable UEFI if required. Configure network as NAT for simple internet access and enable shared clipboard if you want copy and paste. Start the virtual machine and boot from the attached Ubuntu 22.04 ISO image. Choose Install Ubuntu from the boot menu and follow the installer prompt step by step. Select minimal or normal installation based on your needs and optionally include third-party drivers. Create a username and strong password and choose to encrypt the home folder if desired. Enable automatic security updates to keep the system safe without manual patches. After installation, install VirtualBox Guest Editions or VMware tools to enable shared clipboard, folder sharing, and automatic display resizing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.